Now we'll see a continuation of about GATE 2019 solved questions, right? So next we have very much straightforward, rare to see a question of this kind from GATE, but we have it. If you know the concept, it's like just a plum cake for us. Fine. By 3 months moving average technique, what is the demand forecast for the month of September? So we'll have to forecast. This is from industrial engineering subject. So if we have, like, they have given the data as like Jan to August with a demand of some particular numbers. So they have asked like 3 months moving average technique. So we have lots of forecasting methods, exponential smoothing, we say weighted period moving average, in which we give weightage to the recent times, and we have 3 months moving average, 4 months moving average, and all those stuff. So they've asked for 3 months moving average, just like what it is meant by moving average. So for example, if you want to have a forecast for the month of May, what you'll have to do is you'll have to add these three things and divide it by 3. Simple. This is what is 3 months moving average technique. So if you want to have it for April, we'll have to add up Jan, Feb, March. So since it is of 3 quantities, divided by 3 to get an average for April. So which is what is a 3 months moving average. Now from the question it is said that what is the demand forecast for the month of September. So we don't have any demand value, but we should come up with the forecasting method, forecasting number. So for that 3 months moving average, just add up 495 plus 475 plus 560 divided by 3. You will see that forecast for the month of September. So if this is the case, just add up last 3 months demand. So which is 495 plus 475 plus 560 divided by 3, 510. It's going to be really simple. So that's what we say. Like, it's very rare to see a question of this kind from GATE, but if you have it, you are lucky enough so that you got this particular concept. So fine, we have had, like in the previous GATE papers, we have had like exponential smoothing forecast technique, in which we come up with some particular coefficient number and then we add up, we'll get up a realistic value. And this kind of question is very rare, but because it is very, very simple, but even then sometimes GATE come up with surprises like this too. If you know the concept, it's going to be very, very easy, and 510 is the solution for this particular question, and we'll see in our next question.